Hello everybody. For those that you don't know me, my name is Fábio. I'm original from, and I am living in the Azores, Portugal, in the Terceira Island. And today I'm gonna go over if you're trying to achieve financial freedom online, if you're doing affiliate marketing, network marketing, if you're doing real estate, whatever it is that you're doing, I wanna tell you about this foundation that you have to be very careful and know about, which is setting up the true intention into doing whatever you want to achieve, right? So stay tuned for it. And before we get started, I will ask you if you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, as I will be giving you value as I go. So the foundation of building a successful online business, anything you're into, you need to have a foundation, right? So you need to have a true intention. And what I mean by true intention, it's like you really have to know what you want, and you really have to know what you want and who you want to help, and you have to ask yourself, how can I add value? How can I add value? Because I see a lot today what people are doing is they're just expecting stuff for free, or they just want to make money, and it doesn't work that way. The way it works is the more people you help, the more people you add value, the more money you are going to make. So it's all about being humble and genuine, and coming from a position of service, of bringing service to your customer, to your follower, right? Because people buy from people they know, people they trust, and so you really have to be humble, be genuine, and this is the foundation of a business adventure, or whatever it is that you're doing, affiliate marketing. You have to be really humble and really genuine. Very important. You need to have a true intention of giving. It's all about giving real value to people. It's all about going through whatever you're going through. Let's say you're promoting an affiliate product, and you have to be a product of the product. You have to really have the results with the product, and then be so honest with people and show them exactly how you did it, and show them how it's done. And be very honest with them, and be very truthful with them, and provide them with real value, and then people will literally like you and trust you, and will be more than happy to go ahead and check the product that you are promoting. You see, that's selling without selling. So you're not telling people about your product. What you're doing is you're giving loads of value to them, so they really get that amazing value from you. And what I mean by value, you give them information that will literally help them. Like I'm doing in this video, I'm sharing with you that if you want to win online, and even anywhere, any business or any venture, and this applies to anything, you really have to look at your true intention. Your true intention has to be to serve and to help others first and foremost. Must be the most important thing. And it's all about creating a community and serving that community, right? You want to build a community around yourself, so you build that trust with people, and then you serve them. You serve them in a way that nobody else does. And when you do that, there's no way you cannot make it. You cannot win. you will be successful if you serve your community. You need to build your community, and you need to build your, for instance, your email list, for example, because Facebook, even YouTube, this platform, they're amazing platforms, but some they may shut down sometime. Facebook may shut down their groups, or YouTube may stop being the way it is. It may change a bit, and you may lose all your subscribers. So you need to build a tribe of people that you have control over it, and that's your community. You want to share with them a lot of value, and not just send them in emails with offers and spamming them out. People don't want this. This is what everybody's doing. You have to stand out from the crowd and have that true intention of giving value to the marketplace. And when you do that, and when you have that intention, then everything changes, because it's like a seed. You plant a seed, you have the intention of giving, right? And it all becomes easier when you are providing value and giving. Because if you expect to just take from people, then people will not be happy to pay you. It doesn't work. So yeah, I just want to share with you that value is the most important thing that you want to be focused on. You want to be focused on serving your community, and that have that true intention, that is to provide and to serve people. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Smash that like button. I will see you on the next video. Thank you. From have an amazing day, believe in yourself, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.
Africa.